वालेकुम दोस्तों, क्या हाल है। उम्मीद कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आप सबका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल एजुकेशन विद बासित जहान में खुश आमदीद। अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल एजुकेशन विद बासित जहान सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, बराए मेहरबानी मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल एजुकेशन विद बासित जहान सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन के बटन को दबा दें ताकि मैं जो भी वीडियो भेजूँ आप तक बआसानी पहुंचे। सोशियोलॉजी, इंट्रोडक्शन टू सोशियोलॉजी, theories of sociology, nature of sociology, scope of sociology, school of thought. First of all, what is sociology? Sociology is the study of human society. Sociological imagination is the ability to connect one's personal experiences to society at large and greater historical forces. Using our sociological imagination allows us to make the familiar strange or to question habits or customs that seem natural to us. And then, introduction. The word sociology was coined by Auguste Comte, French philosopher, in 1839. He is considered as a father of sociology. Sociology is the youngest of all social sciences. The word sociology is derived from the Latin word societas, which means society, and the Greek word logos means science or study or advanced study. That means sociology meaning science of society or study of society. Now, society is the study of social action. Max Weber. Sociology is the study of collection behavior. Park and Burgess. Sociology is the study of human living together. Tonius. Sociology is the study of social groups on the basis of social interactions. Simon. Sociology is the scientific study of sociology is the scientific study of society. Auguste Comte. Sociology is the study of social facts through social institutions. Emile Durkheim. Sociology is the scientific study of social aspects of human life. Mac Young. Nature of sociology. Sociology is an independent science. Sociology is a social science and not a physical science. Sociology is a categorical and not a normative discipline. Sociology is a pure science and not an applied science. Sociology is a relatively and abstract science, not a concept science. Sociology is a generalizing and not a particularizing or individualizing science. Sociology is both a rational and an empirical science. Now is scope of sociology. Two different views about the scope of sociology. There is no one opinion about the scope of sociology. In the broadest sense, sociology is studying human interactions, their conditions and consequences. There are two main schools of thought among psychologists on this issue. Specialistic or formalistic school, synthetic school. Specialist of formalistic school, Max Weber's view. Sociology aims to interpret and understand social behavior but it does not include all human relations because all of them are not social. According to him, sociology concerned with the analysis and classification of types of social relationships. Von Weis's view, the scope of sociology is the study of forms of social relationships. Synthetic school. Hobhouse's view. Sociology is a synthesis of many social studies. Task of threefold. Studies in particular part of the field. Interconnect the results given by different social sciences. Interpret social life as a whole. Sorokin's view. The subject matter of sociology, the study of relationship between different aspects of social phenomena. The study of understanding the relationship between the social and non-social aspects. The study of general characteristics of social phenomena. उम्मीद के आप सबको मेरी वीडियो ज़रूर पसंद आई होगी। अगर मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो बराए मेहरबानी मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी करें। थैंक्स।